Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Progreda tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a footer for your landing page using Progreda's Funnel Builder. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why footers are important. So why is a footer important? So a footer serves as the foundation of your webpage. It's often the last thing a visitor sees, so it's your final opportunity to provide key information. It can include your business address, contact details, or social media links to build credibility. So footers are also great to navigation, offering quick links to pages like About Us, services, or your privacy policy. So lastly, a footer can encourage visitors to connect with your business through social media or subscribe to updates. Now, let's jump in and create a professional footer inside the funnel builder. So first things first, of course, let me share my screen, log into your Progreda, and next, scroll down to the bottom of your page, go to here, go to sites, then funnels. So first, go to Funnel Builder and scroll down to the bottom of your page and click Add Section. So here, let's say for this one, here. Let's say click Edit. Let's wait for it to load. So scroll down and add section. So here, we have a plus sign here where we can create, or we have options here and where we can add elements. So let's say for this, click sections. So you can select full width for this one. All right. So there you go. Now you can choose a background color. So here, from here, there's actually a background color that you can choose. So let's say if we make it black, red, anything you like, yellow. So yep, here you can add a darker shade. So that's most often, let's just use the black one. All right. Now let's go with this one. So here in this first row, you can add your business address. You can select the paragraph widget as well. So let's say here, elements, and add paragraph. And enter your address and format it neatly. So you can add your phone number beneath this. You can duplicate the address widget as well and replace the text with your phone number. So if needed, you can add an email address as well and adjust the padding for the section to ensure the text looks clean and has enough spacing. So let's just say this one. So you can actually customize it anything according to your preference. So here, you can add subheading as well. You can add navigation links and use the subheadline widget and style it. So let's say, for example, bold it and align it to the left, add a bullet list for your navigation links. You can use items as well, like home, about us, services, testimonials, and contact us. Style the text to match your branding. You can set the font size as well You can adjust the line, the height, remove any icons from the list. If needed, create a second list for additional links like terms and conditions or privacy policy. So also in the third row, you can add a follow us heading. Use the subheadline widget again. You can add social icons, drag and drop the social icon widget into the section. You can align the icons as one to the left and ensure they are evenly spaced. You can adjust the alignment. By default, the icon may appear centered. To fix this, you can select the column settings and set the alignment. Anything you like. So review the overall design and spacing of your footer if you feel like here. So you can double check everything, the links, and make sure everything is functional as well, okay? You can save your changes and preview your page to ensure the footer looks great across devices. So, and that's actually how easy it is. You can design your footer. So, all right, that's it. You've successfully created a professional footer using Progreda's Funnel Builder. Remember, a well-designed footer can enhance user experience, improve navigation, and leave a lasting impression. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Progreda tips. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.